So right, we got something kind of cool because we have somebody who's going to join us. This is Iz has a channel as well. I got my channel. And
I don't want to go in.
Oh, you don't? Okay. So you might hear somebody's voice because we're all going to walk to Lilao, and he's going to maybe talk a little bit about kind of some whatever we see along the way. So
it'll be interesting.
Yeah, should be cool.
Very cool.
And he actually knows the tattoo guy that we were just talking about. That's over by Lilao too. So come and watch us. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
As a YouTuber, I mean, is it profitable? As I know, it doesn't. No.
Is it comfortable to?
It depends.
Profitable.
It depends.
Oh, is it profitable?
It depends how you define profitable.
If you added up all the hours and all the equipment that I've purchased, and all the money I've made, actually I have never made any money, so.
Maybe can we walk? I think this one just comes out over here, but we can walk. Are you gonna join us? Oh, we're gonna walk this way. Yeah.
All right.
We're just you don't want to be filmed?
I don't want to be filmed.
Oh, okay. But your voice is okay.
Your voice is okay, but not my face.
Okay, I'll make sure that that I'll blur out any image that I have. So we're gonna basically go back to this main street right here, but I just kind of wanted to capture this little park because it's kind of a cool little park with these some really nice little views. But we're actually heading to Lilao, and we're gonna capture some pretty good conversation too, I think. But we just got so much beautiful stuff. Even like this little rooftop stuff is amazing. Check that out. What is this? You see that rooftop up there?
Oh yeah, look at that.
And then you also got that artwork too, but like some of those buildings, like that building right there in the corner is so cool. And we're gonna, if you want to come that way too, but we're gonna come out this way. I just kind of wanted to do this street a little bit because it's such a cool little alley, you know?
Yeah, you know, a lot of those places are gone. A little bit at the back. Yeah.
Come and gone.
Yeah. Well, COVID killed a lot. Hey, wala ka naman sa lawin to. I've never gone up this street.
Yeah.
I've always taken the main route.
Yeah, I think this road, it goes to the same place. But yeah, I like that little park right there. That little park goes down to Sun City Park, Sun Park. Yeah, actually, if you know anything interesting that you want to share along the way.
I think you can inside the seminary, right? Into the seminary. There's a museum you can visit.
Yeah.
Inside.
I have.
So this visit inside the seminary, exactly. There's a tunnel.
Oh, there's a tunnel inside.
There's a tunnel in the church.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that. Well, which seminary?
This one. There's
You know, have you heard about there's a legend saying that down in the Daisamba, the Singapore rooms?
Yeah.
Down the stair.
I did hear there's some tunnels coming out of the
When you walk up the big stair,
yeah.
down the stair.
Under the stairs, there's under the stairs.
I'm trying to keep you out of the video, but I want to capture your voice though.
There were somebody.
So under the stairs that go up to the main ruins of St. Paul.
Yeah.
There's a tunnel?
Well, in the 1980s, one of my friends, historian, famous Portuguese historian, wrote an article mentioning that. And actually way back, way back in maybe the early 19th century, there was a man, maybe a British or American, I don't know, not exactly, proposed to Dan, the Macau governor, saying that, trying to propose the research or this kind of project of digging up this place.
Interesting. Because I had heard they had...
But finally, of course, the government rejected. But I guess this kind of thing might be possible because.
Yeah.
Have you been on the side before?
Yeah.
But I think this is the back side of the church.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is the main side of the church. Main side of the church.
This is the main side? This, I think it's the back, isn't it? This is the
Main
back.
side.
And on the other side is the main entrance, no?
No, no, this is the main entrance.
This is the main entrance. Okay. Because I'm confused too because there's so many. It feels like there's a lot of different ways to come in. I'm gonna go up and check it out. Are you gonna save? Are you gonna come with us, or are you gonna got some things to do?
I'm gonna call you up on the YouTube channel.
Okay.
I'll leave you a message.
Okay.
Take care.
Okay. Thank you so much. Good to meet you.
Next time.
See you next time for sure. Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
Can you actually go to the other side?
I don't think so. I've never seen a church that was closed on one end and opens, like you got to go through it to get to the other end, because usually churches have a opening in a. We can check it out.
Yeah.
Let's go see if we can take a look inside the church. And I'm curious to see what it looks like inside. But you want me to take the camera?
Yeah.
We shoot on the inside of it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's take a look and see what it looks like on the inside.
I'll just walk over to the outside. I think I shouldn't go in for that.
Ready to keep going?
Yeah.
It's interesting. There's no opening to the side. That's a church in itself.
Just a closed spot. So this is the only space.
Yeah. Yeah. It's close.
Did you see this over here? I was gonna show you to see if you. There's another guy that's at Sao Paulo Ruins he's a Saint Ricci, R-I-C-C-I.
Yeah.
He was one of the first people that brought. But this one has the same hat. I don't know if it's the same guy, but he's like, I think he was an Italian Jesuit, I believe.
Hey, but you know, is this the other side, you know, on the Filipino street where we started this video?
Yeah.
Or maybe the other video. Is this the other side of the seminary?
I think it might
Next
be.
to the library?
Like we might have been on one of those alleys, right?
Right. I'm curious what's over there. I'm gonna try to point the camera, but it looks like it's blocked off by these trees.
Yeah. Well, I see like a little soccer thing.
Yeah.
So it looks like the Jesuits or the monks
Play soccer, huh?
get some exercise. Yeah.
Interesting.
You got to get exercise anyway, so.
Wow. All right. Really discovering new things.
Yeah.
Wow.
You walked.
Yeah, I walked out this way.
So cool.
They're not like. I think if the tunnels existed, it would be a major tourist sort of attraction. That's sort of like the catacombs in Paris, where like everybody would want to see it because it's very interesting, honestly, right?
Yeah.
I had heard it. You know where I had heard it from Herbert. He said that there was a lot of tunnels because the Portuguese actually used them to escape from. You know, in case the fort was about to be overrun, or if they were in danger, they would use the tunnels to escape. That's what I heard, at least.
Yeah. Anyways, this is St. Lawrence's Church. This is where I thought we were at.
Yeah, I know, because it's the same color.
Yeah.
right? Now this one, I think ends up on the, careful, ends up on the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the one I thought we were at, so I was wondering.
I'm curious, let's go this way. What does the back of this look like? Because I must have walked by it dozens and dozens of times.
The street.
Yeah. This is originally the street we were going down, and then we got sidetracked.
It's funny how often that pops up when I...
Yeah, of course. All right, so do you want to keep going down this way then?
Yeah.
Because I think this is where the place we're going to is.
Yeah. Yeah, so basically what Izzy and I thought we were at this spot. We both thought we were on the other side of this, and we both thought that this was the entrance.
Right.
So he was talking about a connected building, but slightly different. Same color, same organization, I believe.
Because this actually, the grounds in this area are quite large. You can actually go around the perimeter of this, church. I don't know if you want to show it real quick or not.
Yeah, I think I wasn't planning to originally, but since that conversation became part of the day, then I think we're obligated to.
Yeah, so see, I thought we were on the other side of this, but no, it turns out.
That's what I thought too. Got the Stations of the Cross. I think both of us were raised Catholic. You were raised Catholic as well, right? I got the Irish Catholic. Liz has the
Mexican Catholic.
Yeah. So we were both familiar with
you know, there's a lot of Irish in Mexico, right?
There's no Irish, or there's a lot of Irish?
There's a lot of Irish in Mexico.
I didn't know, but I would assume there should be.
So let me tell you about what happened during the Mexican-American War.
Yeah.
There was an Irish regiment.
Yeah.
Part of the U.S. military.
Yeah.
And when they went to war with Mexico,
yeah,
the Irish realized that they were fighting other Catholics.
Yeah.
And they decided to switch sides.
I can see that.
I don't know if you've heard this story.
I didn't hear
before.
that.
Yeah.
No.
So we ended up with quite a large, well, not large, but we ended up with an Irish population in Mexico.
It kind of makes sense, because
very similar cultures.
Yeah.
You know, religion. They both like to drink, family oriented, and this sort of stuff.
Yeah, and actually, like, when I just a little bit of my own background. My dad, Irish Catholic, so for him, it was his whole family. It was a really big deal when Kennedy became president.
Yeah.
Up until that time, a lot of Catholics felt really disenfranchised from American culture and from the Protestantism.
Right.
And then it seemed like that was a major shift.
Right.
And so I would have no doubt in my mind that, like, historically Irish should be.
Yes, I'm familiar with the Kennedy story.
Yeah.
And the primary concern there by Americans is that Kennedy would effectively be under the control of the Pope.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That he would be guided by the Pope and, and what to do in the United States, which is kind of a silly idea.
Yeah. It's silly now, but then it's funny, like, how there's still other stuff that's kind of the same thing going on even now.
So where were we? We were on the other side of that, because I remember we walked by this gate.
Yeah. So originally I was thinking that we were I thought we were, when he first brought us, I thought we were at
in here?
Yeah, like a place right next to us.
Right.
Like just down the street a little bit. Anyway, this is St. Lawrence's Church, and I think we'll turn off the camera for this one for a little while.
We'll keep walking.
Yeah. Any last words you want to add?
I don't like the way you said that. No, I'll have many more words to come.
Actually, that's a pretty good ending right there.
Yeah,
that's like perfect.
That's good.
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.